It is padpad jud.
Tama ko alas 3 media.
Almost 5. Ohayo. We are going to church at 5:30. We're going to Santo Niño Church and we'll be attending 5:30 Mass. Di ba ba? Tablet again ba? So we're waiting for Mother Dear because she's the last one taking a shower. So yeah, see you later, everybody. Mother the chicken, mine is chicken. Chicken. Lami ba? Uishi.
Uishi kunai.
Uishi kunai ne. Demo, nani mo nai kara. Having breakfast here at McDonald's. We're done. We're done. We're done. She always says hi.
Smile ba? Ba? Oy, baba. Empty.
The aftermath.
Ate. Dalian nagsoya pangimong kukwa.
Di kinay. It's so hot. I had coffee and I'm sweating. Like here. Oh my gosh, look at my nails. It's so gross. Only 3 days and this is what happened. No? I like gel nail. I'm going to buy UV light because my light was LED and it's not for my UV gel. UV gel.
I have a question.
What?
Why is it that you have a monster?
Because I'm a boy. I'm a real boy. Don't you know that? Wakarang ka.
Ang call center, call center. Di maghilak, basta ka na.
Otoko dayo, shiranai ka.
Otoko ka.
Suyo.
Nanishinshi ga nai ka.
Aru yo. Minai chichai kara.
Ah, kichatta? Ah, kichatta. Baka.
Baka.
Baboy.
Baka. Baka. Bye. We're home now, guys, and I'm busy. I'm making Sashi's emergency kit project in school. So yeah, it's my project now. It's not Sashi. Too bad. It seems like I'm the one who's going to school. She's the one who's supposed to prepare this. Yeah. But it's me. Dosyo. Sashi! Oy, de! Come here, Naday. I don't know what else will I need to put inside this container for her emergency kit. What else? What else do I need? I have batteries, some canned foods, Band-Aid, flashlight. Oh, radio. I don't know where to get a radio. Don't have a radio. Maybe I'll just use the cell phone, that old cell phone. I have that cell phone, It has a radio, so maybe I'll just include that one. Where is my freaking cell phone? Yeah, like this cell phone, it has a radio, of course. I don't know where she will charge this. Yeah, maybe that would be her radio, this cell phone. I don't know. What else? Hoy, come here na. Come here na, mananga ka. We, miru yo. She's already 13 and she acts like she's grade 1, no? Too bad. Hoy, grade 1 section 11, 13, 14, 15. You check na if this is okay. Yeah, whatevs. I think I will be taking a nap for a while. It's 9 o'clock in the morning already, and yeah, I wanted to take a nap because we woke up like around 4 a.m. this morning, and look at my dent, my eyeglasses dent. Wow, ew, these nails. It's so gross. So I'll just take a nap, you guys, and I'll see you later. Babu. It's already 12 and we're having lunch. Just the three of us. Tatlong itlog. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because Sashi is still sleeping and mother and father is having a date. Diba, Tito?
Having the time of your life.
Habing na. Ano to? Balik ka, good.
Having the time of your life.
Ang mga senior citizen. So this is our lunch. I don't know. Stuffed fish. We're having fish. And inununan or paksiyo if you're Tagalog.
Hindi.
Yeah. Wishy ba?
No.
I like inununan or paksiyo. It's my favorite because it's sour and sour. I just like sour food in general, and of course we're drinking Mountain Dew, but not every time, okay? Hi, Ben.
Mga dagko na, oh.
There are a lot of guava fruits. There guava tree. Uy, that one, mother, oh.
Lagi. Tapat
No,
ta babaw
I
ay.
don't know. There are a lot of fruits actually, but still not ripe. Ben! Ben! Hi, Ben! Ew, you look so ewy, Ben. Ew. Wow. Look at there, guys. It is so dark up there. Yeah.
May kamunggay.
Kamunggay mo dara. Ang sabi kasultian ng kamunggay mo dara.
Kamunggay maayo kris lawas. Morenggay.
English, please.
Di kamunggay. It's very helpful to the body.
Okay, speak English so that everybody could understand.
No more English.
We're outside. Wala. Going to do manicure and pedicure here outside because it's so bright, and but it's not windy today. I want it to be windy. Yeah, oh my gosh. My phone! It's going to fall here. Baba is downstairs. Yeah, they were cutting the guava tree because there are a lot of leaves and fruits outside, and the children were trying to get that. Yeah. I'm doing mother's nail. We're doing gel nail. Bongga ka, mother. Social. Yeah, because it's a Sunday. Pamela not yet finished. So we're curing. She's still curing for like 3 minutes because this is the top coat already. Yeah, bongga.
Wow, sila.
So this is her color. Yeah, that is ash mocha, but it doesn't look like mocha. It looks like lavender. No,
Mocha.
mocha, but it's a little lilac, lavender, no?
Marag lilac.
Yeah, lilac-y because it has more pink than purple. This one. Wow, bongay. It's movie night on a Sunday.
And that is why I'm here.
Good night, Aisha.